Okay guys, so another problem we have the component along an arbitrary direction n cap with direction cosines nx, ny and nj of the spin of a spin half particle is measured. What is the result? Four options are given. Let us try solve this particular problem. How can I do this? So you are given the component along an arbitrary direction of this. So here solution goes like this. Let's try to draw it. Okay. Let's call it this is the arbitrary direction, the arbitrary n cap, and spin is s. So you have to calculate the component of the spin along this arbitrary direction. So basically n dot s or s dot n, they both are same, the product. So before I calculate, let us know about this s. What is s? S is equal to sx I cap plus yj z in angular moment. And if we consider this vector n, direction coefficients are given ny j cap. For this direction sines y square. You need to calculate this. Calculate n dot. So before calculating that, you need to know what is the sx, y and s. Let us try to understand what is the value of sx. H cut by 2 sigma x. This is h cut by 2 sigma x is equal to 1 1. What is the value of sy? H cut by 2 sigma y, that is h cut by 2 sigma y is 0 minus I plus I 0. Okay. We last we have sz. What is the value of sz? Sz is equals to h cut by 2 sigma z cut by 2. It is 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, now we are in a position to calculate this n dot s. N dot s, what is the value of n dot s? It is nx sx plus ny sy plus nz sz. ऐसा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So we can just put the values of sx, sy and sz. Sx, nx, you can simply write it. So h cut by 2 0 plus ny sy 0 minus I h cut by 2 plus I h cut by 2 plus I may be covering. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे h cut by 2 0 minus maybe I am covering it little. What is there? Just add them up. If you add them up, what or n dot s, we are getting this matrix nz cut by 2 h cut by 2 nx minus I ny. Here you are getting h cut by 2 nx plus I ny minus. So you have to calculate the measurement. What is the result of this? Basically eigenvalue. Okay, let lambda be the eigenvalue of n dot. So what you can do, you can just nz h cut by 2 minus lambda minus nz lambda and h cut by 2 nx minus ny h cut by 2 nx plus in. So no longer equate to. So just do a little bit of calculation. Nz h cut by 2 dot lambda minus h cut square by 4 nx square plus y square is equal to 0. Simple as that. So it is like a plus b, a minus b, the minus sign. So nz square h cut square by 4 minus lambda square minus h square by 4 nx square plus y square is equal to 0. So we can take that h cut square by 4 common, and we can just write x square plus ny square plus nz square. Don't worry about the negative sign. Negative sign will be taken care of by this. From here we are getting this nx square plus ny square plus nz square. I have already talked about. On that we can directly write lambda values is nothing but plus minus cut by 2. Is there any option? Yes. D. Option D is matched. So the correct answer for this. I hope you understood. So before I end this video, let me tell you that you can follow me on Academy Plus, lot of plus courses on. You can have .com/. Physics Hub, you will get all the 9 units plus detailed course. Everything has been covered in this, and you also get special offer is going up to 30. Offer is valid till it. Take the offer plus subscription, iconic subscription for your convenience using our referral. The max you can save up to 30% and the price list. One subscription enable you to watch live and recorded videos of all educators of all time under CSIR-NET. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription and put your feet on. Thank you very much.